What? You think you could help me? Come here. Rosie, come here. That's a girl. Good girl. Are those your babies? Huh? Oh, hey, you're in the way. Could you hold this camera on the puppies?
Hold the camera?
Just hold the camera because I'm going to pick up the puppies one by one and tell them which one it is. Okay. Oh. Look, Rosie. This little boy is the Kathy and Bill Garcia's little boy. You're all right. Let's see. Which one is it? Oh, dear. This is boy number 4. Yeah. I think it is. Let me check and make sure. Just hang on. They're getting around pretty good. Their eyes hopefully should be open tomorrow. You gonna help on Rosie? Yep, that was boy number 4. And it's the wind boy. Get down. Let's see. Yep, that's boy number 4. He's gonna go to Lincoln. Yeah. All right. And that's the Garcia. Oh. You're all right. You're all right. Okay. You want your mommy, huh? Okay. Who we got here? Oh, this is a little girl. This one, oh, her eyes are open. Oh my goodness. This one we're going to keep. We're going to have to come up with a good name. All right. And this is the boy that might be going to Canada. His eyes are open too. Yay. Yeah. To Leo Chan, possibly. And his son Bill. Okay. And then this little boy is Ping and Lawrence's baby. Yeah. And his name is Tatsumi. It's Tsunami. Hi, where you going? Yeah, he's going to be a little Lawrence and yeah. You looking for Mama? Yeah, look at your cute 4 little white paws. Goodness sakes. Look, Rosie. Okay. What? I guess that's it for now. There they are. They're looking for Mom.